Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken biryani. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including 1 kilogram of chicken and 500 grams of fragrant basmati rice. Then, I'll guide you through marinating the chicken to infuse it with incredible flavor. Next, we'll learn the art of layering the partially cooked rice and marinated chicken in a heavy-bottomed pot. Finally, we'll seal it and cook it on low heat, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly for about 25 minutes. First, let's prepare our main components. For the chicken, use about 1 kilogram of your preferred cut, whether bone-in or boneless. Create a rich marinade with plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and a generous 2 tablespoons of your favorite biryani spice blend. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. Simultaneously, soak 500 grams of basmati rice for 30 minutes. Then parboil it until it's about 70% cooked, ensuring it retains some bite. Now comes the exciting part, layering. In a heavy-bottomed pot, spread 1/3 of your par-cooked basmati rice as the base. Next, carefully add all the marinated chicken mixture evenly over this rice layer. Then, top the chicken with the remaining 2/3 of the rice, along with a handful of crispy fried onions, fresh mint leaves, and chopped cilantro. Seal the pot tightly with a lid or dough, and cook on very low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes for the perfect dum. Once the cooking time is complete, turn off the heat and let the biryani rest for 10 minutes before opening the pot. Gently fluff and mix the biryani from the sides, allowing the chicken and rice layers to combine beautifully. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright finish. Serve your aromatic chicken biryani hot, perhaps with a side of cooling raita, and savor every delicious bite of this incredible one-pot meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.